everyone, my name is Kayeramos and welcome to my channel where I share tips to help you gain clarity and purpose as you get closer to Jesus. It's also where I talk about faith, journaling, and of course, intentional living. In today's video, I will share with you how to create your own printable for your prayer journal. Before we dive into the actual tutorial, I want to share with you the thought process of creating your own prayer journal printable to make sure that it will really work for you. So my first tip for you is to decide what you want to include in your prayer journal. So make your prayer journal work for you. That's the objective here. Figure out what you want to include here. If you are already using a prayer journal, it will be a lot easier. So now you can identify areas that you want to improve or somehow lacking in order to fit your needs. If you are at loss on what categories to include, check out these two videos right here where I share some topics and prompts that you can include in your prayer journal. I also have a 52 prayer journaling prompts that you can download for free using the link in the description box below. My second tip for you is to look for inspiration. So look for ideas on how you can organize your prayer journal. So look at your existing setup if you have on Pinterest, Instagram, or simply let your imagination explore. Do a quick brain dump of how you want your prayer journal to look like. This is always my process. I like to do brain dump. So brain dump is simply putting all your thoughts on paper so you don't end up getting overwhelmed. So this is what I usually do to help me decrease clutter in my mind. You can find out more about this in this video. My third tip for you is to figure out what software to use. Now that you have a clear idea on what to do or create, identify the software that you are comfortable with. You can use MS Word, Mac Pages, Photoshop, Canva, Google Sheets, or whatever software you are familiar with. The most important thing is you are familiar with it. Figure out also the dimension of the paper you want to use and how colorful your printable will be. So think about the ink also. With those in mind, I want to show you a quick tutorial on how you can do yours on Canva for free. I will just show you the basics and you can go from there. So I will be showing you how to create these printables on Canva for free. So in case you don't know, Canva is a free website. So here, let's create a design. I want to use a US letter design or US letter format. I'm starting with the text. So if you could see this crown here, that means to say you have to pay for that, or if you have a pro version then you could get that. But there are so many available fonts for free, so we don't have to worry about that. I kind of like this particular font. And if you click effects, you will see different effects, of course. And I like this one. So I will copy, right click, and then right click again to paste it. So, and then I will adjust the size depending on how you like it. Here I am going to show you the Acts model of prayer, which is adoration, confession, thanksgiving, and supplication. I'm just lining them up. And then we'll make the subheading. Same font. I will be using the same font, but in a smaller version. So to make things easy for you, just do copy and paste. So again, right click for copy and paste, or if you know the shortcut on your keyboard, it will be a lot easier. Now I would like to add a square or rectangle. So press the elements icon and then you'll see different shapes here. I kind of like this one because it's free, and I like the rounded portion of the rectangle. You can adjust it. You can adjust the size and dimension. And then if you would like to save some ink, you could go for a gray version. And you can even adjust the transparency here. For this one, I would like to add a little bit color here just to make it look more attractive. I will just basically copy and paste it. If you want to add some designs like flowers, leaves, you can type it on the element. So click element first, and then if you see that search icon, type the object that you want. So for example, in my case, I would like to use flowers. Again, just like the crown version, you would see that there are some elements here that are labeled Pro. That means to say you have to pay them, or if you have subscription, then you could get them for free. Here, I would like to use some free versions only because there are so many great designs that are for free, so we don't really have to pay for them. Just duplicate it on the other side and then rotate it. So you see this middle icon here. That's how you rotate it. I think I like that. Now if you want to create another design, you basically just duplicate the page. So if you see the icon that I clicked there, that means to say duplicate. So I will just change the color, and this time I will do the pray format, which is P for praise, R for repent, A for ask, Y for yield. Actually, that is P is for praise, not pray. I didn't see that. And I chose this design. So basically I rotated it to fit my US letter size paper. And then just adjust it based on how you like the design. So I place it on the background, and then I'm moving this one right here on this side, and also the other things here. And then this one is to add page. So if you wanna start something fresh, then you just basically add a page. Now this is another hack for you in case you don't want to do this other things that I showed you. So if you want to start, like make it quick or fast, you could start with a free template. So for example, here I type planner, and there are so many available templates for free, and I basically just edited them based on how I could use them. So for example, this is a planner for the day, so I substituted it as prayer for the day. So you could literally choose from many templates here and just modify them to fit your needs. So this one example is for weekly prayer journal. So I would start on Sunday up to Saturday. And it's already created for you in case you don't want to create one from scratch. You can even change the background if you want. See, there are so many options. You can also again change the transparency of the boxes. Now, you can download it. You have the options if you want to download it as PNG, JPEG, but I like to download it as PDF print because it has a better quality that way. So here you go, your printables. If you don't feel like creating them on your own, feel free to check my shop for many printables like War Binder and Prayer Journal. The templates are already created and you can literally create the prayer journal that will work for you. So I will link it down in the description box below. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. I would love it if you subscribe and hit the bell button for more videos. This is Kayeramos and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out other videos right here. Love you guys and see you again next time. Bye!